To request a refund for a purchase mode on TikTok Shop, you'll typically need to follow their refund policy and contact their support. Here's a general guide on how to go about it. Before contacting customer support, review TikTok Shop's refund policy. This information is usually available on their website or within the app. Take notes on any specific conditions or timeframes for refunds. Collect all relevant information related to your purchase, such as order number, item details, payment method used, and the reason for the refund request. Having this information ready will streamline the refund process. Reach out to TikTok Shop's customer support team to initiate the refund request. You can usually find a contact us or support section on their website or within the app. Follow the instructions provided by TikTok's Shop customer support to submit your refund request. Be sure to include all necessary details and any supporting documentation if required. After submitting your refund request, TikTok Shop's customer support team will review your case. They may reach out to you for additional information or clarification. Stay in communication with TikTok Shop's customer support team and check for updates on your refund request. They should provide you with information on the status of your refund and any next steps. If your refund request is approved, TikTok Shop will process the refund according to their refund policy. The refund will typically be issued to the original payment method used for the purchase. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video.